Federal officials announced a major multi-state drug bust as President Joe Biden meets with narcotics officials on the front lines of the fight to stop the flow of deadly opioids into the country.
Well, battling the fentanyl crisis in the U.S., however, is just getting started. Fox News correspondent Rebekah Castor is in Washington with more on the fight.
Investigators say they broke up a major fentanyl ring spanning from California to Washington, D.C.
This was a conspiracy that flooded the District of Columbia with fake pills containing fentanyl.
The bust has taken years. Back in 2021, a young mother took a fake pill from her drug dealer and died from the lethal dose of fentanyl.
The DEA reminds us that one pill can kill, and unfortunately for Ms. Lynch, it did.
Investigators tracked down that dealer and uncovered a vast fentanyl distribution network. They brought 23 defendants into custody so far, along with dozens of firearms and approximately 250,000 pills.
Even our own chemists could not tell which ones are fake and which are real.
Some fentanyl pills can even be disguised as candy. Last year, investigators seized thousands of pills from a suspect going through LAX. And President Biden has made cracking down on fentanyl in the U.S. a key diplomatic goal. Many of the chemicals used to make fentanyl originally coming from China. At the APEC summit, Chinese President Xi Jinping agreed to help curb the flow of fentanyl to the U.S.
We also met with President of Mexico. Together, we committed to expanding law enforcement cooperation and intelligence sharing to better disrupt the flow of fentanyl.
But critics say the president needs to do more.
The Biden administration has allowed millions and millions and millions of these pills to come through the southern border, and they are not attacking the source.
The DEA emphasized how social media was used in the busted fentanyl operation, saying almost every defendant in the case used Instagram. In Washington, Rebekah Castor, Fox News.